Please. Oh, oh. Oh, let me see, Hafız. Hafız, let me see. Oh my God, Umran, Hafız got a new friend. And who's that new friend? Is Marta. Marta and Hafız played very nicely today. Lots of toys. Lots of...
Nearly. Shall I help you?
Oh my God, Hafız nearly didn't want to go to school today because he enjoys so much playing with Marta. Yes, Hafız?
Yes.
Yes?
I'm trying to.
Who's got a new friend now? Marta, coming. Are you looking super cute, little man?